Hey guys, I'm T-List Maker, and I'm rating every video game controller, starting with, what is this? What is this? Boomerang. FTL. It's literally a boomerang. S tier, no arguing. Play PS5 controller is the best controller known to man. Besides one controller, and I think everyone knows what that one controller is. It's the best controller hands down of all time. It is a classic, so it does bring it up in rankings, but I'd say it's just really painful to hold. I'd say this is at the same level. Boomerang Part 2. What? This is better than the Boomerang. For some reason it gives me nostalgia, but only has one button and a joystick. Maybe you could play like a movement game where you like don't have to jump and you shoot, you know? Go out those games with like an arcade place. For me, it'd be Fun Spot. D. This isn't as good as these because it didn't have the DualShock and stuff, so B. B. Oh, that's a problem though. It's that, I don't like that. But it's not the Pro Controller. Does it even have the Pro Controller? No, it doesn't. So this has to go down with these guys. Not as good. The Wii. Oh, is this the Wii, like, the box? The Wii controller that wasn't these D tier. Boomerang Part 3. I have something against Xbox. That's C tier, A tier, there. That is honestly a really good controller. Nostalgia to the max. What is this? This looks like one of those toy mouse, those like mouse toy things that you can't chase after. And how do you even use it? Is that a button? Is that a joystick? It's not even wireless. This thing is terrible. This thing is Mouse Toy Part 2. It's literally the same thing, but with a scroll wheel, pretty much. A sideways scroll wheel instead. Another F. Why is there an entire fudging phone on here? Just a phone with a joystick. Who needs this? No, yeah, it's a question. No one needs this. No, nobody. I don't need it, but no one needs this, okay? This goes in the bottom of F tier. No, I'm creating a new tier for it. Utter garbage. Dog. Oh, you can't even see it. That one? Much better. Yep, that's the worst tier. You get put in there, you get put in there, you get put in there. The Boomerang, at least they have some functionality, but this just doesn't. This is a phone Boomerang. What is this? At least has more function than these things, so it's an F. It's nostalgia but ripped off by Sega, so no. I'm gonna look at these. I'll move there's nothing that fits in the A tier yet though. Maybe you. I think that is you go back here because it's wired. If they're wired, then they can't go past C. Okay. Up. It has functionality, but it's 6 buttons, whatever that thing is, and it looks like it's meant to morph your hands into a different shape. My guy put 2 of the same controllers here. You know, just for that, you both get a Okay, so this one I love the 64. I came out with Super Mario 64, one of the first 3D Mario game, which is so nice, so good. But the controller you had to play it on was just a B tier, dude. No, but it's wired, so it can't. That's the problem. Anyway, cause it Boomerang Part 3. How long is it gonna take them to stop making Boomerang? Okay, the crappy streaming service. Alright, this has nothing wrong with it. It's just old, kind of gives me PlayStation nostalgia. It's a PlayStation 2 controller without those things, so it's a tier below. Wii U. Just the box thing is so terrible. It's like putting a Switch in the thing, but it's more uncomfortable because you have to plop the Joy-Cons off. So, not F tier. It's not an F tier because it's at least wireless. They have to give it something if it's. But that I hate the joystick placement. Your fingers are gonna be in such a bad spot. Oh, just imagine trying to hold that controller. It would be so painful. It went from boomerang to frisbee. What the heck is wrong with these? What is wrong with Sega? It can't escape C, so that's where I'm putting it. It's nostalgic. It's just nostalgic. It's like this one, but more comfortable. So it's just, and at least it's not boomerang. The terrible streaming service. Sorry for everyone that uses it. What? That's wireless out its butt like this one. Oh no, that's charging. That one's definitely wireless, wired from there. And I might have said wireless. Sorry if I did. But it just what? Huh? That is just. But the ew, brother. It's the same thing as this one, but it's wireless. It's a super similar shape, but with joy. So it reminds you of the nostalgia, okay? But it just, has it's better. It's not on the level of PS3 controller though. Oh, that's a hard question. PS3 controller level. That's why the PS3 controller is here. Can't escape C, and I don't think it is on level with Xbox or this. They put 2, every time you put 2 controllers, they all get bumped. Oh no, those are slightly different. No, the PNG just plays differently, so that one's bumped down. But they're both Xbox X controllers. Anyways, this is my tier list. If you disagree with me, you are wrong. Okay? No. you disagree with me, you are wrong. See you guys later, and this is nobody's opinion.